What's up guys, today we're going to be doing a social experiment where we leave a baby in the car and then we're going to leave the dog in the car and see how differently people react. Good. Let's go.
Is that a dog? What is it? Dude, it's so hot.
Is that a dog in there?
Yeah, what the hell?
Should we call 911? I don't know. It's really hot.
What do we do? Just go?
Yeah.
Alright, dude.
I'm at the CVS parking lot right now. There's a all the windows are rolled up. There's no security around.
Bro! It's just a social experiment, man. It's just filming a deal, trying to get people to realize, you know, if you left a dog or a kid in a hot car. Okay. Yeah, no one really ever did nothing, but yeah, man. Thanks for at least trying to save it.
Someone needs a dog in their car? It's like 90 degrees outside. Are you kidding me? The dog's still in the car?
There's not really a dog in the car, man. Oh my god, yes! It's totally okay though. The window's on us, man. We're trying to get reactions out of people about how they'd react if a dog or a car is left in the hot sun.
Yeah.
You're the first one to do something like this, but it's totally okay.
Oh shit.
Hey, window's on us, man.
Awesome,
Don't even
man.
worry about it. That's the kind of reaction we're looking for though. We want to know that people care about dogs and kids.
That broke pretty easy. That was cool.
Hey, at least you know you can get in there.
Dope. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.